Joseph Murphy said that the spiritual man sees with our eyes, those eyes. He also said that the mind's eyes sees reality behind the form. We are often taught when it comes to the law of attraction and the teachings of Neville Goddard and Joseph Murphy and the likes to not react to what we see with our eyes, those eyes, what we see with our senses, right? What we feel, what we touch, etc., what we smell. Because those are just the results that have followed suit from what we have previously imagined in our 4D reality, which is our imagination. So now the question is, are you going to be deliberate or not when it comes to your 4D transitioning to your 3D? Because this is what is happening. Law of attraction is not something esoteric. It's something that's happening at all times. So be deliberate and choose your reality first.